Any of you listening in today are listening because you want more from life. You want more. And you know at some level of your being that you are capable of achieving more. Maybe you've already achieved a lot. Maybe not. Whatever the case, you are hungry for more. You're not like the rest. You don't settle for an easy life. You don't take the easy option or the safe path. You know you deserve more, and you want to set an example to all those close to you that a better life is not only possible, but your birthright. No matter where you are in life, at the bottom, in the middle, or currently at your peak, there is always another level. To get to that level, you must grow and you must push yourself. You must demand more of yourself than anyone else would ever expect, more than anyone would expect of you or of themselves. To get that better life, to reach your true potential, you're going to have to think like successful people think. You must understand two very important principles that I guarantee you all successful people live by. If you do these two things consistently with your full commitment, I guarantee your results will explode and your life will turn into the magical journey it is meant to be. Number one, model success. What does modeling success mean? It means you find someone or several people who are living a life you would love to live, and you model them in your own way to get your own unique result. Isn't this copying? No, it's not copying. You model them in your own way. You take parts you love and you model them to suit your life. You learn from great teachers and mentors and apply their teachings in your own life. You take things that resonate with you, the things you love about others or their teachings. You analyze how they do that or how they live that way and apply it to your life. Number two, get a mentor or a coach. First off, let me be very clear. You do not need a one-on-one coach to be successful. There's plenty of information provided all over the internet for free and at little cost in many great books that if you apply could easily create everything you want and more. So if you can do that, do it. Mentorship and personal coaching is only for those seeking the very next level. It is for peak performers, those who have already achieved a little or a lot, but are pushing for more impact, more growth and expansion. If you're not there yet and you can't afford it, you don't need it yet. Work your way up by finding mentors in books, on YouTube, on podcasts. There's so much material out there. Some of it is junk, let's be real, but some of it is life-changing. Find that content. Understand this, no successful person was born a success. Success is self-made, and it is self-made through learning and applying what you learn. There's no better way to learn than through a mentor you believe in and one you resonate with. Find someone who has a similar mission or belief to you and learn everything you can. NBA champion and MVP Stephen Curry said, to excel at the highest level, or any level really, you need to believe in yourself. And hands down, one of the biggest contributors to my self-confidence has been private coaching. Oscar-winning actress Reese Witherspoon said, with the right kind of coaching and determination, you can accomplish anything. Tony Robbins said, everyone needs a coach, whether it's a top-level executive, a graduate student, a homemaker, a homeless person, or the President of the United States. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are hundreds of expert testimonials just like this. So many great athletes and leaders today would not be who they are without direct coaching and learning from great people and great ideas. Why? What does a coach do that you can't? A great coach will notice your blind spots. A great coach will guide you to noticing and working on your blind spots. Great coaches get that little extra out of you. When you think you're giving 100%, they find an extra percent. They hold you accountable. They work on your psychology. They get you aiming higher than your best results and greater than your greatest expectations. So wherever you are in your life journey, find a mentor, model success, and create your own amazing life in your own unique way.